Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a new video. Thanks to the guys from ClonerAlliance, I'm able to test out the Flint 4KP Pro game capture device. This is a portable device that allows you to capture and stream gameplay footage up to 4K 30 frames per second from your PlayStation, PC, Nintendo, and even from your mobile phone. Yes, believe it or not, even from your mobile phone. And it has got more great features which I would like to tell you guys more about later in this video. So for now, let's have a look at what's inside the box. Okay, so let's take a closer look at the device itself. And as you can see, it has a high quality construction with a nice red shiny finish. We have a USB-C connectivity with your PC and also a mic input that lets you record voiceovers in real time, which is quite unique. And don't forget, we have the HDMI input and output and an extra power supply option as well. Okay, so the capture device cables and all the necessary software have been installed. Let me show you guys some footage I've recorded, including microphone voiceover, so you can have your opinion on the video and sound quality. Okay, so here we are, boys. I'm currently recording on 1080p 60 frames per second. So far the video quality and sound quality has been great. I don't notice any negative points about that yet. And also about the responsiveness, I don't feel any latency or delay at all, which is very great. In my opinion, the most important thing when it comes to game capture devices. As a competitive player, you don't want to feel any delay or latency. You know, you want the best responsiveness. And yeah, so far this capture device is delivering that without any issues. No latency, no delay, which is very great. Okay, so the capture card does the job and records gameplay footage at 1080p and 60 frames per second without any issues and in perfect quality. And also, if you compare this to other gaming capture devices such as the Elgato HD60S, you definitely get more, as it comes with a 4K 30 frames per second option and even a microphone input for nearly the same price. So if you're looking for a game capture device between 150 or 200 euros, then I would definitely recommend the ClonerAlliance Flint 4KP Pro game capture device. Okay, so this was it for today, guys. I want to thank you for watching. I see you in my next video. Take care. Peace out.